Calibration of the tester may be required on first use or when testing is conducted in a different ambient temperature or when a new replacement probe pen is first used with the tester. To perform calibration, remove the calibration plug from the side of the housing to access the calibration potentiometers C1 and C2. Next, adjust the indication needle so that it moves to the center of the cal strip by fully depressing the probe pen on the cal disc while simultaneously adjusting potentiometer C1. Next, adjust the indication needle so that it moves to the center of the red glass strip by fully depressing the probe pen against the glass disc while simultaneously adjusting potentiometer C2. Repeat steps calibration for C1 and C2 where necessary till the indicator needle falls in the center of both glass and cal discs.